like, I mean, if it's just like this.
Like this, we're gonna be.
Yeah, if it is something muddy, then we can just turn around. Because I'm fine with anything.
You mean like that?
Like that, yes. Let me. It just sinks. It just sinks like 5 feet.
I know.
That'd be so funny in a way.
Okay, wait. Which way?
Straight ahead. Look, it just goes uphill. It's easy. And I was in 4. Uh-oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh!
Michael, you bottled.
No, I hit airtime. I got air. Oh my gosh, I got air on that.
Okay.
Some cars up here. Dad, I hit air. I got airtime.
Okay.
Oh boy, you know what?
About this. No.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on, Ezra.
This is 8.
I think we can make that up easily. I'm looking outside right now. Give me a moment. Definitely hit airtime. We went back there and got airtime, but if someone stopped right there, I don't want to go over there. So I'm thinking we should just turn around.
You know what? I know what this is.
What?
That's those rocks we can't drive over.
Really?
Yeah. Those are the boulders. We have
Okay.
to turn around.
Well, I don't want to turn around in there.
No. I agree. You could turn around right there.
That smells really horribly bad.
That's your truck. Because you went airtime.
Airtime.
I'm concerned about it. Because you hurt your truck.
It smells like gasoline. It smells like gasoline. Well, when we're done, when we're out of here, we'll just look under it. I don't smell anything. Look, smell something. I looked under the car. I looked everywhere.
Okay, keep going. But don't go crazy.
If you don't mind, can you film me going over that really fast?
No, I do mind. I'm not gonna.
That was cool. I got airtime.
I know, but.
Okay, I'll go really slow over it then.
I mean, we gotta get out of here too.
Here it is. Here's where I got airtime. Well, there's where I got airtime. Dad, the tire was like up, like against the window.
I was in the car, Michael.
Hey, dude. Well, that was kind of interesting, kind of cool little thing. Oh gosh. Well, let's look under the car then, just in case.